New boots.
They stay races all the time, isn't it? All of like we do.
Oh, Chutney, oh, Chutney. What are you doing?
Toilets to work.
Are you feeling up to it today?
Well, aye, not bad, aye. Yeah.
Good.
Yes, we'll see how it goes. What do you think?
How are you feeling for today, Brian?
Alright, yeah.
You ready?
One of the gun places.
Yeah. Yeah.
You excited?
No.
Have you seen the track?
No.
Hello.
How are you feeling for today, Lily?
Good. Track looks good.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
How was your practice?
Track was nice and soft.
Yeah. Are you just here practicing for the Scottish?
Yeah.
Yeah. The track's good, isn't it?
Yeah, really good. I'll get dusty by the end of the day probably.
Yeah. Look up for that number in the 865 today, guys.
Now, practice done. How was it?
Seemed fine. Yep.
Plenty of grip.
It's probably the track, but I reckon with me hitting new tyres on front and back, which has been a while, it feels so different. you can actually try and power in a corner and it doesn't spin out.
Yeah.
But it's probably the track. There's no doubt the tyres are helping a smidgen, but
How is the feet with the new boots?
The feet's fine. The feet is fine. Yep.
My
So-
boots were okay because I just left it in third gear all the way around again.
You what?
I just left the bike in third gear.
Did you? How does that stop your boots from getting dirty? Oh,
For changing gear.
changing gear. Are they new?
Aye.
All right. Fucking hell.
You're not the only with new boots.
We're rocking a new boot. I did wonder earlier on. I thought that looks pretty new, but
I forgot I wear them, so it must be fine.
aye. I just thought he'd maybe give him to his mum and he had cleaned it, or she'd cleaned them for him.
Mold ones are
You
white.
even spoke about it earlier, or yesterday, whenever it was. Forgotten already. So no, we'll see how it goes. See how it goes. However it goes, eh?
Yeah.
So do you remember what to do, boys and girls? You've got to dislike and prescribe the BG159.
What's your goal for the day? Oh, it's just the usual. Try and beat Brian and Mark.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
I was gonna interview Brian here, but I'm making it bother now.
I'll be able to speak for laughing. Oh, this could come back and bite you. That's
I just got arm pump.
Oh, he decided it.
You okay?
Aye. Oh, Jesus.
Is it so sore?
Aye.
I bet.
I've arm pump and my hands are tingling. I can hardly feel my hands. Oh.
How was that like to put them your arm pump?
Aye, good.
So how's the track?
It's okay. It had to start raining when we were sitting in the line though,
Yep.
did it?
How was your race, Dad?
Good.
I heard that you got the whole shot.
Got the whole shot.
Good.
Battled with Liam for a couple of times, a few laps. Arms went solid. And that was it, finished second, so I'm happy enough.
How was your first race, Mark?
Alright, yeah.
Was it? How's the track?
It's not bad actually now. Rain started as we were on the line as always.
Yeah.
But it is what it is.
Yep.
On the next one.
Yep. How was your first race, Lily?
Good.
How's the track?
Yeah, good. It's a bit slidey. There's not many ruts in it.
So far?
It's not too bad.
What places have you been getting in over 50s?
Two firsts, I think.
Oof. 2 firsts.
I think. Two firsts.
Chutney's back.
No, he's partly back.
No, you can't do any better than 2 firsts.
It's very true. I think it's my new tyres.
Could
I've
be.
been going on about it all day. So I'm going to tell everybody out there as well, get yourself a set of new tyres. I put on a new set of tyres maybe once every
Year.
summer solstice. And this is the summer solstice, so that's why I put on new tyres. And it's paying dividends.
Good.
So,
That kind of takes the pressure off of the last race as well.
well, it does, but you didn't get in thinking like that.
No, but
You take it how it comes towards you, Ken.
the rain's on now.
But that's hot, like the track's still dry. Unless there's a huge thunder plump.
There is a really dark cloud out there.
But I lie in my bed at night and I think about getting mud racing. And all this time I've been looking at it the wrong way. Because I can't remember what it was. I think it was one of your American guys. I think it's AP. It was AP. He says everybody races in the mud. He says they've got the wrong attitude for the race in the mud. He says you're not going to do what you normally do. So you just enjoy yourself. And let the bike slide about. Enjoy yourself. And just think of it as and it is. And I lie in my bed at night sometimes when I'm trying to sleep, and I just think to myself,
Can't I wait for the next mud race?
I really could be doing my next mud race, you can, just to see if my thinking actually plays it out on track. But probably win it, but I can picture myself diddling through that mud and again, passing boys I would never normally pass.
With a smile on your face.
Absolutely. But
Well,
it's not looking like we're going to get it today.
no, I don't think we'll get it today.
We've got prime conditions at Rhynie today. Well, we will here for the last race.
Aye, it should be a lot better, even if it rains.
As long as it
like
rains off before we go out, just to save the goggles.
that. Yeah.
So, but aye, it's been fine.
Oh. It's getting heavy.
Oh no. Right, I think I just said, pinch of salt, pinch of salt. Are there any sponsors out there you'd like to thank?
This is your vlog. Is there any sponsors out there you'd like to thank?
Studio 7.
Okay.
That's the one. Studio 7. He's the one that helped out this year. So there you go.
I'll do mine then. Tom Adamson Motorcycles.
Well,
Donald Munro Plant Hire and Plant Training. Aberdeen Air Conditioning Services. Safe Access.
and he's got all that sponsors, and he's only hitting 2 seconds a day, and I've hit 2 firsts with one sponsor. So I rest my case. And they'd be a lot more prouder of me than they would you.
Probably.
On that note, we'll see you after the 3rd race, hopefully. Toodaloo!
Race 3, done and slightly dusted.
Alright,
How was it?
it was alright. I had a good battle with Brian. Let him past. Passed him back, just let him kind of could do it. And then I let him by, and then just I didn't need to pass him. It's the same boys who was in front. And then I was watching the boy in the Suzuki catch him at towards the end. I was like, oh no, like, put a spurt on. No, I was just hanging like bumpy, man. Coming down that hill, tried multiple places, and it's some sides was better, but still not great. But oh Jesus Christ, my hands was. Never mind. We're going to the city today.
Yes.
I think. I hope. If I have never gotten this severely wrong.
Still in one piece.
Still in one piece. That's the main thing. Done our day's racing. We've had a good day. A weekend off, and back for the Scottish.
Yep.
Lovely. So remember, like and subscribe. No, that's not right. Dislike and prescribe. BG159. Till the next time. Toodaloo.